Okay, we're going to go over the FitLite today. First thing you need to do is grab the iPad, and on the iPad there's the FitLite app. Here, looks like a little H, but it's not, I guess. And what we need to do is make sure that the FitLite is connected. There's a Wi-Fi, there's two Wi-Fi sources, there's basically two Wi-Fi sources. The FitLite needs to be connected to the Wi-Fi for this. The iPad needs to be connected to the FitLite Wi-Fi, and then the iPad, instead of connecting to the clinic Wi-Fi for internet, it gets connected to data. So to check this, we'll go to the status. So the Wi-Fi light is not connected. So what we have to do is go to the settings on the iPad, and then change the Wi-Fi to the FitLite, which should show up. Sometimes it doesn't. FitLite, this one here. It is currently on Lucky Luck, but now we need to change it to FitLite. Now we're waiting. I hope it works. Oh, okay, this is the thing that happens sometimes. So what we will do is try one more time and put it closer maybe. It's actually perfect that this is happening because this is a very annoying, common problem. Okay, unable to join the FitLite network. Okay, no problem. What we need to do is unplug this to turn the device off. So we unplug it and then we wait 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plug it back in. This might have solved the problem, but it might not have. Perfect, it is now connected. So, we go back to the FitLite app. Now, it says the FitLite Wi-Fi is connected. And so what we need to do is take out the lights, and we're going to put them here. And then you'll notice in here it says in use. Come on. One of them is now in use. This one is like connecting, or is connected. These other three are now, we need to get them connected, and so sometimes it just takes a little while. So we'll wait for them. These are actually really insanely strong. The company put out a video of people dropping bowling balls on them and driving over them with a truck. So you do not need to worry about harming them. Also, note right over here we have these 4 purple pyramid thingies. If you do standing FitLite, like taps, this keeps them in place so that they don't slide around. It'd be great if this thing would connect. This is another problem that we encounter periodically. So what I'm going to do is I want to see if I can reset this because they're not connecting right now. I'm not sure why. So we're going to hit FitLights in setup, and this is going to, clear the current connections. Yes. So that's 1 available. Here's 2 available. 3. Come on, buddy. Hello. There it is. Okay, now we have all 4 connected. So we will save. Perfect. And we can see all of the FitLights are now connected. Test. The hardest part is now over. Now we get to practice using them, which this is the screen that you're going to deal with the most. The there's like little games that are already pre-built in. I think we'll just go recent. Let's see now. Let's pick Brit Hit. We have only one player. So we're choosing a game that exists already. We could create a game too, but we'll just do the current one. So we want to choose, yeah, all fit lights. And they're all ready. Perfect. You'll notice that we have the option to select a user. I'll show you how to enter in a person later. You can keep track of somebody's like reaction time speeds. We'll just go with Bugs Bunny for today. And how many times do we want the game to repeat? I think this is one. Let's just do one. Start. And how do we want the start to begin? We want to start with an impact of like a low impact, and it will be a constant light. So I think as soon as I strike one of these guys, then the game will begin, and this timer will start to count. It should go for 30 seconds. I think the game is programmed for that. So we're going to go. This first one is the thing that I'm going to hit. So now it's just this, the whole thing. See my reaction speed. I think it goes for 30 seconds. I'll just go through the whole thing. This is fun. Okay, yeah, 30 seconds worth of the game. And you can see the details of the score. And there you go. So we're going to exit this. If you wanted to create a new game, you would just click this button. In general, we've only dealt with basic. You have other options down here before, but I think you might need more actual lights in order to do that. We only have 4 fit lights. So let me see. You have like templates to choose from. We have in the past done random, so let's just do like a random sequence, runs until you hit a certain number. How many hits do you want? So if it's like a sprint, maybe it's just 10. And you get to choose the color of the lights. Let's say we just want green. Oh my. There's just all going to be green and pink. And the sensor, you get to choose the impact. Do we want to strike it, or do we want to be like a hand wand over it? So this is a distance sensor where you need to move your hand at least 20 centimeters close to it. We'll just choose that one right now. In the LED mode, just keep it at normal. The light mode, if you choose full, it's like, I think it's fully colored. I'm just gonna select all of them. You could have like a smaller range of color. Do we want it to beep? Yes, you get to choose, does it beep as soon as it gets armed, when it shows up, or beep when it's struck? So we'll choose when it's hit rather. And we'll time out at, or rather when does it, if you don't hit it in 5 seconds, then that's when it times out and moves to the next one. We could shrink it to, like, if you don't hit it in 4 seconds, it moves to the next one. And is there a penalty? We're just going to say no penalty. We'll save that. Sequence name. Random. Hovers. 10 total. Save the sequence. I don't want to put a description. Cool. And we can try this random hover overs, 10 total. We're going to start the exercise. We're going to use all available fit lights. Make sure that the see if they can all light up. There we go, we're ready. And I'll just choose Bugs Bunny again. All users. All right, as soon as I strike one, and I hit start, and you just strike one to get it going, and then you just hover over it. Times total. You could totally cheat and just like go like this, but that you want to do that. So that's some basics with the app itself. As far as like related accessories go, we have these little stands that you can attach the fit light to. There's 4 of them. I'm just going to grab one so you can see. On each of these is an attachment. There's like 2 ways to attach it. The backs of the fit lights have this little groove thingy, and these soft Velcro parts come with them. You like have to click it. You push down and turn it, and then it clicks. And to take it off, you push down, and then I believe you turn it the other way. Yeah, I turned it the other way. So I pushed down and moved it this way, and it clicked in, and I pushed down and moved it that way, and it clicked out. But we want to connect it to this, which has the sticky Velcro. So now we can set these up so somebody has to like move to tack them. You could also take it off of this thing. We have these little like suction cups. There's also 4 of these little suction cups, which you can put onto the mirror. They don't seem to stick to the wall very well, but on the mirror it seems to stick okay. And then to get it off, there's like on this side, I don't know if you can see the side, you have to like pull from here at the edge to take it off. Otherwise, if you try to yank it off like that, then this thing happens that, oh man. So what I just did right now is I like kind of broke it. So what I need to do, this little thingy is not supposed to come out of here, but it does sometimes. So what we have to do is snap it back in place. And what you'll do is now it's snapped back into place. It's not really supposed to come out. So try not to like yank on these things. That's it for the fit lights. That's it. Thank you.